Hello, I'm Mark. I'm a CNC operator at M. Clark& Son. What I enjoy most about working in manufacturing is the problem solving. So day in, day out, you think things are going to run smoothly, but lo and behold, they don't. It keeps you intellectually stimulated and thinking on your feet, and no 2 days are the same. The manufacturing academy was very useful to me as it gave me hands-on skills, increased my confidence with these skills and increased my confidence wholly as a person. What I liked about the academy mostly was there was a chilled out vibe. You became quite close with your peers. No 2 days were the same and it was well structured. I would recommend the Manufacturing Academy to others because it allowed me to gain employment in the manufacturing industry. What I enjoy most about working at M. Clark & Son is the feeling of togetherness. You're made to feel more than just an employee. They hold a lot of mental health days, trips out, bonding, and it's a real chilled out atmosphere. What advice I would give someone who wants to start a career in manufacturing is firstly, research into the area of manufacturing you'd like to go into. Speak to somebody about a day in the life, learn the basics.